Johor Bahru. I'm in Malaysia and I'm going to Singapore today to meet up with my friend Grace. We're just gonna spend time together and go sightseeing in Singapore, so hope you guys enjoy this vlog and let's get it started. I'm finally in Singapore and Grace got me this welcome flower, you guys, and she knows that I really like sunflower. Thank you! We're finally at Veganburg and we're gonna try out Singaporean style fast food. Let's go in. This is organic Coke. I've never tried any organic Coke in my life, but it's actually pretty good. It tastes a little bit like root beer. But it's so good, guys. Hello, Miss Grace. Oh my god, guys, it's our first time meeting. It felt like we met already, right? Yeah. Yeah. Let's cheers. Cheers. Oh wait, we haven't opened the bottle. Oh my god, it's so good. I love truffle. Is the truffle strong? It's okay. Is it strong?
It's okay, but it's good.
Oh, you like truffle?
Yeah, I love.
Oh, okay, that's good.
The chocolate chips I got you, like it, right?
Oh my god, I love it so much. Literally, I told my boyfriend not to touch it. Okay, so we're done with lunch and now we're gonna head over to a cafe that Grace is recommending us, so let's go. We're finally at ENQUIRIES and apparently this place is really pretty, so let's go in. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So pretty. Oh my god, they have macarons. Oh, I love macarons. Oh my god, guys, this is beautiful. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. So guys, I got Grace her belated birthday present. I hope she likes it. Grace! Thank you! For you! This is seriously the prettiest dessert I've seen in my life. As usual, I have my iced Americano. And what is this? Rose.
Yeah, rose, like a chocolate mousse cake.
Oh my god. And this one, Chloe. So pretty. What are you having?
Elderflower iced tea.
Oh!
Strawberries and like little fruits inside.
Oh my gosh, so pretty. Ooh, so pretty. Oh my god, shoot. Sorry. I'm gonna go home now, guys. We're trying to beat the rush hour. So I'll see you guys in JB. Bye. I'll come and visit you.
Yes.
Pinky?
Promise.
Yes, Pinky promise. You guys are the witness. I'll be back. Good morning everyone from sunny side of Kuala Lumpur. I am finally in Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur for meet and greet with the Face Shop. The Face Shop flew me down all the way from Korea to Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia to meet my Malaysian fans. I'm super excited because I'll be doing some challenges at the store. So I'll be basically part-timing at the store with a couple of challenges that they will give me. So I'm really excited to be sharing with you guys the experience as well. I've always come to Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia for like family trip and visiting relatives and things like that, but I've never actually came down here for work. So it's really exciting to be able to come here for work and seeing my family as well at the same time. So I'm really excited to be meeting my Malaysian viewers and sharing with them my experience and just talk to them, take photos and things like that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and let's get the day started. Starting from hotel room tour. So when you come in, you'll see my luggage, and here is the shower room or the bathroom. It's really simple and very like modern and clean. I really like it. And here the Face Shop prepared beyond bath products, body lotion, shower gel, and their signature hair oil. This one is apparently really good, so I can't wait to try it out. And then here they have the mirror. Hello. And then when you walk out, they have this really big mirror which I can use for outfit of the day. Really excited. And then let's walk out. So when you walk in, you'll see the bed, and I want to show you guys this. The Face Shop, they prepared this whole thing for me. They're all new products. They also prepared a lot of sheet masks for me to try out every night. And then they also prepared me some of my favorite line from the Face Shop, which is the Yehuadam. I actually brought mine up all the way from Korea. Really like this product, it's really good. I actually brought this to Shanghai as well. So yeah, this is really good. And then a couple of CNP lab products. They're really good. It's very good for people who have acne prone skin. I used their pimple patch before. It's really good as well. So yeah, I'm gonna try out all these products and review it for you guys as well. And the star of this table. Recently, Coca-Cola did a collaboration with the Face Shop. And look at that, you guys. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Seriously, can't wait to try this one out. Can't wait to try all these products out. So I'm gonna get ready, and I'll see you guys later. I'm all set, and I'm gonna put on my uniform, the Face Shop uniform, and I'll see you guys at the mall.
Recommend like oil cleanser generally is really good. This one. Okay.
Thank you. Oh my god, my handwriting's so bad.
No,
I'm so
it's
sorry.
okay. Can I get a hug?
Yeah.
Thank you. They got it, guys. They got it.
Halo, jangan lupa follow nih. Jangan lupa follow.
Aku ada kalau ketemu Cici Ami.
Aku udah habis.
Cantik banget.
Okay guys, I'm finally back in my room. It's been a long day, but it was really fun because I get to see some of you guys and I get to talk to you all, take selfies, and it's really nice to be able to meet my Malaysian viewers. So thank you guys so much for those of you guys who came, and I really can't wait for the rest of this meet and greet event. And by the way, when I came into the hotel room, the Face Shop sent me these. So pretty. It says, "Welcome to Malaysia." They always give me like a bouquet. I think last month when I was here, Sasa from the Face Shop, she gave me like a really pretty bouquet like this. So thank you so much to the Face Shop Malaysia, and thank you so much Sasa. I really love working with the Face Shop because my very first cushion purchase was from the Face Shop. I remember it was the CC cushion. It was like the one that you pump it out. And I remember I was in my first year of uni, or I think it was like the last year of my high school. It was either the last year of my high school or the early years of my uni that I bought their CC cushion with my own money. It was a really good memory, and I've always wanted to work with the Face Shop, and now that they flew me all the way from Seoul, it really feels like a dream come true. So yeah, thank you guys. Thank you so much, the Face Shop, if you're watching this. it has been a really amazing trip so far, and I can't wait for tomorrow and the day after tomorrow. So I'm gonna shower now, go to sleep, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.